Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect Moceax right here to cTrader. And if you want to do this, we go to broker, scroll down to load more, and then we click right here on the M where you will find right here Moceax, I don't know how to pronounce it, but you know what I mean. Then we go right here to open account, and then he is telling me that he is not finding this page. And that is because I'm from the Netherlands, so I can do anything on this website. The only thing that I want to tell you that if you create yourselves an account on this website, the first thing that you need to know is you need to also check right here your cTrader, click right in the top, and you need to create yourselves an account with the same email address that is standing right there. So yeah, for me it's this, but you need to use the same email address right there on your Moceax account. Then after that, go further in the setup on Moceax, and then right there, if they're asking you for the platform type, you need to select right there cTrader. Then after that, finish your account setup, and once you did that, you can close everything. And then if you go right here to cTrader and click here right in the top, you will find right here your account. I already did this for IC Markets, FP Markets, FTMO, Future Markets and FX Pro, and it works exactly the same for all the brokers. So those two will help you out with this process. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.